standard. First, I am Anita Mishra and today I'll be teaching you Environmental Studies chapter number 4, My Neighborhood, part 1. So in this chapter, students, I'll be teaching you about the neighborhood, about neighbors and neighborhood. So students will learn what is neighbor. So tell me one thing, who stays near to you or opposite to you or in the left and right side of you, of your house? Yes. So the people who stay around us are known as neighbor. And what is hood? So hood means, students, the particular thing which is of so many things. So like neighbor, and when there are so many neighbors it becomes neighborhood. So that is neighborhood. Neighbor means people who stay around or nearby us. Okay, students, so now we'll move forward in this chapter and we'll learn what is neighborhood and who stays around us. Okay, let's go. Now students, tell me, who lives near your house? Yes, neighbors stay near our house, but they are neighbors who stay near our house. But here in this lesson, we are discussing about our neighborhood. And students, keep this one thing in mind, that neighbors and neighborhood both are different. Neighbors means people who stay in a society or near us, but neighborhood means a whole community, a whole bunch of people around us, which includes everything. If there is a medical shop, if there is a clinic or hospital, if there is a post office, bus stand, school, anything is known as our neighborhood. So the whole area, whole community is known as our neighborhood. But neighbors means who stay near us. So there is a difference between neighbors and neighborhood. Neighbors means we call it to the neighbors who are staying around us, near us. So like some stays opposite to your house, some stays left side of your house, and some stays right side of your house. But neighborhood means in the particular area, a bunch of people who are helping you and stay around you is known as neighborhood. So sometimes we say there is one school in our neighborhood which is known as neighborhood. Okay, so students, keep this thing in mind, that neighbors and neighborhood both are different. Okay, so we'll move further in this chapter and will give you some examples. Okay, so let's see an example. So students, in this picture you can see there is one house which we'll call it as our neighborhood. So here you stay, this is your house, and near your house you will find what? Let's see. Near your house you will find this is a market. Here you can buy vegetables and fruits and any other things which is needed for your daily routine life. And here is your school. So school is in your neighborhood where you go for study. Then what you will find in your neighborhood? This is hospital. So you go hospital whenever you are sick, and it is also there in your neighborhood. Then you can see bank. Students, bank means a place where we store our money. Bank means a place where the money is kept safely. Your money means your parents' money is kept safely in the bank. Okay, So bank is also a very important part of our life, and it is in our neighborhood. Then we can even find railway station. Railway station means student where trains go and come. A place when you want to go to your hometown or any other place, from one city to other city or from one state to other state, you use railway station to visit. We visit in our nearby places with our car, but when you have to change your state, if you want to travel from Gujarat to Maharashtra to another state, we go via train, and train stays where? In the railway station. Railway station means a place where trains stop. Okay, from a place from where you can catch a train. Okay, students, now we'll move further and we'll see what is there near our house. So here we can find bus stand. A bus stand is a place from where we can catch bus. Just like train, we can catch bus to travel from one place to another. Like you catch bus to travel from your home to school. The same way we catch bus to travel. Now the other we can see is garden, park. Park is a place where kids like you play, and it is also there near our house. It is also there in our neighborhood only. Okay, students. So you go and play in the park. Sometimes it is there in our society only. So we can find garden or park in our neighborhood. Then what we have other thing is police station. So students, police station is a place where thieves are kept. Thieves means someone who stole anything. Stole means in Hindi we say अगर तुम चोरी करोगे तो तुम्हें पुलिस पकड़ के ले जाएगी. So it's a place where thieves are kept. Thieves means chore, and police catch all those criminals and all those people who are doing bad in the society. Okay, so police station is also very important in our neighborhood, and we can find all these places in our neighborhood. We'll recall all of those again. So this is market to buy daily essentials. This is hospital. Whenever we are sick, we visit hospital. This is school where we study. This is bank where money is kept safe. This is railway station. From place we can catch train to travel from one place to other place. This is park, and park is a place where we play. This is bus stand to catch bus to travel from one place to other, and this is police station where criminals are kept and police take care of our safety. So all these things are in our neighborhood, and this is all known as neighborhood. Apart from our neighbors, the things which stays around us, the places which are very much important to us are our neighborhood and which are around us. So like this only, there are many such things which we'll find around us. Apart from this is will near your house. Okay, so like in this market you can see some grocery shops as well. So groceries are even important. Groceries means crop, grains, the food you ate. Okay, students. So these all things are known as our neighborhood. And students, you have to keep one thing in your mind. Neighbors and neighborhood, both are different. Hope you understood. Okay, students. So we'll let you know more about our neighborhood further in this chapter in part 2. Hope you remember all these things and note it down. Okay? Thank you so much, students.